Welcome to Fab-Rite Services' Automated Equipment Division, where cutting-edge technology meets unparalleled precision. Our state-of-the-art beam line handles beams up to 44 inches deep, ensuring precise cuts and efficient processing for large-scale projects.
The beam line allows us to process and fabricate beams with incredible accuracy. This streamlines the fabrication process and ensures high-quality results.
Equipped with a CNC plasma table, we can cut metals up to 8 inches thick with precision and speed, perfect for intricate designs and heavy-duty applications.
The plasma table's accuracy and efficiency are unmatched, allowing us to take on complex projects with confidence.
Our CNC brake provides exceptional bending capabilities, forming metal sheets into precise shapes with consistency and reliability.
The CNC brake ensures that every bend is accurate, which is crucial for the integrity of the final product.
With our CNC plate rolls, we can roll metal plates into perfect cylindrical shapes, meeting the exact specifications of our clients.
The plate rolls allow us to create custom components quickly and accurately, enhancing our fabrication capabilities.
Our advanced pipe coper ensures precise cutting and shaping of pipes, making it an essential tool for our fabrication projects.
The pipe coper's precision is key to creating perfectly fitting pipes for our clients' needs.
By integrating these advanced automated tools, we enhance our efficiency, accuracy, and our ability to tackle complex projects.
Fab-Rite Services, your trusted partner for advanced automated fabrication. Let's build the future together.